Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're going to do another What Is video, and today we're going to talk about the Bachata dance. So on our channel, we mainly do Bachata Moderna, which is the modern style of bachata, which includes a lot of Cuban motion, which is hip action, a lot of turning, and a lot of structure. So there's many different styles of bachata out there, so be aware of that. Also, the bachata originated in the Dominican Republic, but widely spread throughout the US and internationally as well. So that being said, it's a Latin style dance, so it's great to learn for parties, but it can also be danced to just any 4/4 faster beat song. So it's also really great to just know for fun, or if you're a couple learning how to dance at a party, it's another great option, but it is designed to be danced to Latin style music and bachata music, okay?
Bachata is in the social style of dances, and it's great to have an option that's small and stationary. When you don't have a lot of space to dance, maybe in the clubs, maybe just in a restaurant next to a small band, when you have a little bit of space, bachata is a great slow dance to use.
And that's our quick overview of what the bachata is. Happy learning, and be sure to check out our website. We have a full bachata selection up there for you, as well as many other styles of dance. So check that out, like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.